Man, y'all niggas some bitches for doing that shit.
Man, that is Jason, dog. Jason the Fez.
What? Hey, what you call me?
Oh my god.
Pick yourself up. Huh? Pick yourself up.
Pick your damn self up. Come on in.
Man, now y'all doing that sissy shit, man. Start this. Oh my god! Hey, guess what? You got knocked out!